Hello everyone, welcome to our Minimalist Setup YouTube channel. If you're looking for the best minimalist gaming PC case, this is it. Minimalist PC cases are characterized by a clean design with minimal decoration or elements and are considered some of the best PC cases around, but there are also a variety of options to suit any budget. 1. NZXT H9 Flow. The NZXT H9 Flow is a premium mid-tower case from a renowned brand that puts a unique spin on traditional PC case design. It boasts ample liquid cooling support, excellent heat dissipation, and a beautiful design. NZXT has been a leader in this space for a long time, and their collection of matte black and white cases is a favorite among gamers. This PC case offers industry-leading cable management, excellent cooling performance with a 360mm radiator mount, and excellent heat dissipation. As we've covered in our in-depth review, the NZXT H9 Flow is a powerful PC case. 2. NZXT H510. If you're a PC gaming enthusiast, you've probably heard of the NZXT H510. NZXT has long been a leader in minimalist gaming, and they sure know what they're doing. The NZXT H series is one of the best-selling minimalist PC cases on the market. The NZXT H510 comes in 3 color combinations. Aside from this minimalist case comes in 4 styles, each with subtle differences. The H510 is the most basic model, with no RGB built into the solid front panel. For the H510 Elite, NZXT has swapped the solid front panel for a tempered glass front panel. This makes the H510 Elite perfect for RGB system builds. 3. Thermaltake S100. Thermaltake's S100 PC case is a minimalist case that offers great value for money while still having an eye-catching design and tempered glass side panel. Even if you're on a tight budget, don't miss out on a stylish PC case with a minimalist design. The Thermaltake S100 is a great example of a budget PC case. It offers 2 2.5-inch bays and 2 2.5-inch/3.5-inch bays. For fans, you can install 2 120mm blowers on the front panel, 2 on the top panel, and 1 exhaust fan on the back panel. 4th, NZXT H720i. The NZXT H720i is a great choice if you want a simple RGB effect. The cable bar is aesthetically pleasing and will definitely catch your eye. It looks even better with the all-white hardware, which includes the NZXT white motherboard and NZXT's signature purple RGB lighting. While it may not be the best gaming case from NZXT, it is arguably the best designed NZXT computer case. The sleek cable covers do their job well, and the tempered glass side panel is a real eye-catcher. If you use voltage or PWM-controlled fans, there are 2 RGB lighting channels and 3 fan channels with fan speed control. The front panel and power supply intake filters are removable. Check link in description. 5. Corsair 5000D Airflow. The Corsair 5000D not only offers great airflow, but it's also competitively priced compared to its competitors. If you're looking for a stylish case with plenty of room to spare, but also value airflow, then the Corsair 5000D is the answer. As the name suggests, the Corsair 5000D Airflow is all about airflow. The unique yet simple design is not only great to look at, but also very practical. This is a mid-tower ATX minimalist PC gaming case, and instead of a solid front panel like most minimalist desktop cases, it uses mesh material to improve airflow as well as design. 6. Phanteks Evolve Shift. 2. The Phanteks Evolve Shift. 2 is one of the coolest minimal gaming PC cases on the market. It's not the most user-friendly case, but if you're an enthusiast, there's a lot to like. Looking for a mini ITX case for your small form factor PC build? The Phanteks Evolve Shift 2 is a great choice. The tower design saves desk space and allows you to fit a powerful system into a compact chassis. Made of aluminum, all sides and panels can be easily removed for 360-degree access to the internal components. 7. Thermaltake Core P3 Pro. The Thermaltake Core P3 Pro is designed to highlight your internal system components. As an open case, the Core P3 Pro is prone to dust accumulation, but it can accommodate up to 2 radiators and 6 fans to ensure smooth airflow. I have been a fan of Thermaltake's Core series cases for over 10 years. The Thermaltake Core P3 Pro is my pick for the minimalist design PC case collection. I am convinced that there is no better way to minimize than to remove the panels. Thermaltake has done just that with the Core P3 Pro by removing the front, top, back, and bottom panels. 8. Antec Performance 1 foot wide. This Antec case is surprisingly compact for a full tower build. It comes with a handy toolbox. The front panel supports both 140mm and 120mm fans, thanks to the two rails built into the mounts. Both the front panel and top panel are secured with magnets and latches without tools. The top panel can be removed and reinstalled before installing fans or radiators, so you don't have to find any space in the case. The thick mesh on the front panel provides a good balance between filter and airflow. No need for a weak filter. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to our channel.